We will now discuss another important topic, that is the difference between MAC address and IP address. This particular difference used to come in semester exam, so it is important. So you can say that both MAC address and IP address are used to uniquely identify a device on the internet, and in every NIC card manufacturer provides this MAC address. Okay. On the other hand, the internet service provider provides the IP address. So one difference is that the NIC card manufacturer provides the MAC address, and ISP, that is internet service provider, provides the IP address. Okay. The main difference between MAC and IP address is that MAC address is used to ensure the physical address of the computer. So MAC address is used to ensure physical address of the computer. It uniquely identify the device of the network, whereas in case of your IP address are used to uniquely identify the connection of the network. Okay. So one is for physical address of the network and one is uniquely identifies the connection of the network. Okay. So now let us see the difference, basic difference between those MAC address and IP address. Okay. So I will list down all this. You can take the note from here. So first one is here, let us say this is a MAC address and this is your let us say IP address. Okay. So let us say, okay, yeah. So this is your, I'm dividing these two parts. So number one, okay. So number one is MAC address stands for media access control. Okay. So MAC address stands for media access control address. Media, A for access, C for control. Okay. And here you can say that IP address stands for internet protocol address. So IP stands for internet protocol. Okay. Next point, MAC address, it is important point, all are important, is a 6-byte hexadecimal address, whereas your, in case of IP address, so IP address is either 4-byte in case of your IPv4 or 6-byte in case of your IPv6. The third point, a device, a touch with MAC address can retrieve ERP protocol. And in this case you can write a device attached with IP address can retrieve by RARP protocol. Already we have discussed about ARP and RARP in our previous lecture, so you can go through it. So number 4, NIC cards manufacturer provides the MAC address. Here number 4, internet service provider provides IP address. So number 5, MAC address is used to ensure the physical address of computer. And here IP address is the logical address of the computer. Okay. Now number 6, MAC address operates in data link layer. Okay. And IP address operates in network layer. Okay, so MAC address operates in data link layer and IP address operates in network layer. Okay, number 7 point you can write, MAC address helps in simplifying, it is not simplifying, MAC address helps in identifying the device. Okay, this is 6, this is 7. IP address identifies the connection of the device on the network. Okay, number 8, MAC address can't be changed. IP address can changed. So there are 8 points, and hope these 8 points will be sufficient to get the full marks. Okay, and hope you understand what are the difference between the MAC address and IP address. So MAC address, basically it is provided by the manufacturer. So every your device, okay, every device has this MAC address, and NIC card manufacturer provides the MAC address, whereas internet service provider provides the IP address. Okay, so hope you understand these 2 things. Okay, thank you.